Today we're making a summer salad, a red, white, and blue summer salad that takes advantage of the beautiful berries of the season, and it's perfect for all the patriotic holidays. To get started, we're going to take care of preparing our beautiful strawberries. Look at these strawberries, glossy, fragrant. Can't wait to put them in the salad. And our beautiful blueberries, big juicy blueberries. To make the water bath to clean our berries, I put 1 cup of white distilled vinegar with 4 cups of cool water. And we're gonna wash our berries, drain them, and then pick through them and make sure there's no stems, nothing that we don't want in our delicious salad. After rinsing and picking through the berries, I lay them out on a towel to dry and pat them dry. And then when they're all dried, I will return them to their packaging with a piece of paper towel in the bottom and just have them in the fridge till I'm ready to make my salad. You can choose any lettuce that you love for this salad, but I'm choosing romaine today because it is crisp and sturdy and it will hold up well to the dressing. I'm going to cut 2 heads of romaine lettuce, and I chose romaine that has nice green leaves on it because I want the contrast of color in the salad. And of course, I'm going to wash the lettuce thoroughly using my salad spinner. If you don't have a salad spinner, I recommend that you do in fact get one because it makes cleaning your lettuces for your salads oh so simple. Nice quick cut of your lettuce leaves. And then a quick rinse and back into the refrigerator to crisp up the romaine lettuce. To make the dressing, add to either a bowl or to a jar 1/2 cup of tasty extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, crush in 1 clove of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Pinch of pepper, pinch of salt, and whisk vigorously to emulsify. You can also make this dressing in a jar. Just add all of the ingredients to a jar with a lid and shake, 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 shake till it comes together. Once your dressing ingredients come together, it's important to taste them. This is a nice subtle mixture of balsamic vinegar with the other ingredients. And the balsamic vinegar adds a little bit of sweetness. You may want it just a touch bit sweeter. If you do, add a little sugar or a little honey. But I think it's going to be perfect with the sweetness of the berries tossed in the rest of the salad. Put your dressing in the refrigerator to let the flavors fully meld together before you make your salad. To make your red, white, and blue summer salad, arrange your chopped romaine with sliced strawberries, a generous portion of blueberries, and some feta cheese. Of course, you're going to drizzle with your balsamic vinaigrette.